Hello, today I have a 2014 Chevy Cruze 1.4 liter turbo engine with a code P1101. What you need to do first at the beginning before you spend any money, first thing you have to do, check your air filter. If it's bad, clean it, replace it. If it's dirty, clean your mass airflow sensor. Check your MAF sensor. Clean your solder body for sure. And if you hear any hissy noise, air coming from this BCV valve, go ahead and replace the valve cover. It's gonna be one of the issue. You might have one or two problems. Don't just focus on one problem. You might have 2-3 problems. So this is one of them. Air filter. Clean the mass airflow sensor. Clean the solder body, and check your turbo cooler hoses. This one down here, the one down there, that one, and also you gotta follow this hose, the bottom one. Make sure they sealed okay. And if you did all this and the code still exists, check your BCV bulb. This one have a valve inside here. What you need to do, this is the new one here, and this is the old one here. You gonna blow here and suck here. You can hear the air just go in and out, and this shouldn't happen. This is the new one here. You hear when I blow air, it close. When I suck air, it open. So that's gonna be my issue right here. This BCV line, BCV hose. There's the button number right here. I got it from AutoZone, Dorman. And this is how you check your code, P1101. And if you have any issue, just comment below. I will answer your question. Please like and subscribe for more videos that will help me out. Thanks for watching.